How to create arc text in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new document. Select the text tool from the toolbar on the left. Now click on the canvas and type the text you want to arc. Now right click on the text. Then click on Warp Text. Now select Arc from the Style banner. We can see the text is arc now. To customize this style, use these three options and adjust your arc text according to your will. Then press OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Graphics Solution Tricks channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks.